Hi there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find the number of sides a regular polygon has when you are given the sum of its interior angles. Now each regular polygon with n sides is going to be made up of n isosceles triangles. You can imagine that two of the lengths of each of these isosceles triangles are made up of a radius. That is because each regular polygon has a circle encompassing it. Okay, so you can think of one of these isosceles triangles as having the length r on two sides, okay, and the angle next to the center is going to be 2 pi over the number of sides, radians. Now within these isosceles triangles, you're going to have two angles which are the same. We are going to name them x. Now using these isosceles triangles, we can prove the number of sides a regular polygon has when we are given the sum of its interior angles. Now what do the interior angles of a regular polygon look like? Well, we can see when we put two isosceles triangles together. This angle over here, made with two isosceles triangles, is an interior angle, and it's equal to 2x. However, within each isosceles triangle, we already have two x's, okay? So we only have to use one isosceles triangle to come up with the formula to find the number of sides a regular polygon has. Now the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon will be equal to 2x times n. That is because these regular polygons are made up of n isosceles triangles. Now check this out. 2x is going to be pi minus 2 pi over n radians, okay? Because pi is like 180 degrees, and there are 180 degrees in a triangle. If we expand and simplify this formula over here, what we get is the sum of the interior angles is equal to pi times n, the number of sides, minus 2 in brackets. Okay? Now once again, you can think of pi radians as 180 degrees. Now here's what's really cool. We can change this formula over here to get the number of sides of a regular polygon when we are given the sum of its interior angles. So we have the equation s is equal to pi times n minus 2 in brackets. From here, we can divide both sides of this equation by pi. What we get is s over pi is n minus 2. Now from here, we can add 2 to both sides of the equation. And what we end up with is n is equal to s over pi plus 2. And this gives you the number of sides a regular polygon has when you have the sum of its interior angles. Remember, if you are dealing with degrees, change this pi into 180. Anyway, I hope this video has been useful to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll try to respond to you as quickly as possible. For more mathematics proofs videos, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and do not forget to check out mathematics.proofs on Instagram for more maths content. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.